Hello children, welcome. Look at the sky. The sky is blue in color. You can also see white clouds. It's bright outside. Oh, the clouds are turning dark and there is a spark and a loud sound. That's called as thunder. When do we hear thunder? Yes, when it's going to rain. Yes, it's raining. We can see the lightning and hear the thunder sound. It's a rainy season. There is greenery all around and we feel cool. When it stops raining, we can see rainbow in presence of sun. Wow, colorful rainbow. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. If we come out of the house, we will become wet. So let us see what things we can use during rainy season. We wear raincoats, colorful raincoats. We use an umbrella. We wear rain caps and gumboots. Good. Now you're ready to come out. Wearing raincoat, gumboots, taking umbrella and wearing a rain cap. Now let's see the creatures found during the rainy season. Oh, that is the sound of a frog. It's a frog. This is a slug. Earthworm. Snail. It's a sound of a peacock. Wow, beautiful. Peacock is our national bird. It likes to dance when it rains. These are some common creatures you see in rainy season. They are called millipede. Now please repeat after me. Peacock, frog, slug, earthworm, snail. The girl is playing in water and enjoying. What is she wearing? She is wearing a raincoat and a gumboot. Paper boat. Wow, look how it is going. Children make paper boats and sail them in rainwater. Let's sing a rhyme now.
Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rain on the housetop but not on me.
Let us sing one more time.
Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rain on the housetop but not on me.
Nice rhyme, right? Rainy season is also called as monsoon season. I hope you enjoyed the concept of rainy season. Thank you children. Bye.